Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Deepseek AI assistant app. So it's really easy and simple app. So simply tap on the open button. You make sure that this app is installed in your device and you created your account. So you can see it's really simple interface. So here you can see message Deepseek. I can say hi. So what this say, like I've just seen this message. So I can access it's really easy. And there are a lot of things, like if you tap on the here plus icon, this plus icon, then you can see here you can photo or share, image or share, and documents. If you have PDF or any other documents, if you send, they can summarize you. So how to learn German. So they give you, it's like a chat gpt, from chat gpt other thing. So it's really easy and simple, you can use it, it's really free. So this way you can use this app. You can also upload the documents to summarize more things. So today's no man, see the next video.